Hi, my name is Lorelai and I'm doing a Dice of Throne Season 2 unboxing video with my dad.
Alright, what's the first thing we're going to pull out? The monkey breath. And throw the monkey breath off to the side. What do we got here? We have a Season 2 playmat. It's got all the characters from Season 2 on it.
Playmat looks cool.
Yeah? What's next?
We
got
another
Season 1 playmat. All the characters from Season 1. And then I got a third playmat, which I got to choose a character. Of course, I choose my favorite, which is...
Oh, the
what?
Shadow Thief.
The Shadow Thief. Yeah, there we go. Alright, set that off to the side as well. Hold on to that one. And we got the... Oh, well, we got some other stuff on here. What do we have? Oh, we have the card sleeves. So we got the card sleeves for all the season heroes. So this should be Season 1, and this should be Season 2. There we are. That looks cool, huh? Get some protection.
I'd like to be the Moon Elf.
Yeah. Alright.
Moon Elf.
There's the Moon Elf. Alright. Assuming all of that's getting in the video. Alright, set that off to the side, and then we'll... Oh, wait. We got one more thing in here. What is this? Promo card set.
Well,
Yeah, so we add that to the decks. Oh, look. What we got here. There are the comic books. Yeah, so there's 2 comic books in there. Book 1 and Book 0. Put that off to the side. We'll set everything on the table in just a minute. Alright. Then we have the battle chest. Which is quite...
Wow.
Look at the inside. Got the Season 2 heroes on the inside. It's pretty cool.
That looks like green grass.
Yeah, it kind of does. Let's see what we can get here.
Who is this?
Pretty good, pretty good. And then we have the back of the box.
I want to see that.
Which is cool. Champion Edition. It's the Kickstarter version. Alright. We will get to these in just a moment. Oh, we got some quick references here. Which is pretty cool. So we have the Seraph. Go and open that. Side. We got our playmat. This tells us all about our characters. Has our it's pretty cool. It has our unfold that. Our moves that we have.
And on the back, you can see this.
Yeah. Alright. Set it down. Just 1 second. And then we have our character sheet, which kind of tells us about what everything does.
And we have her chalkboard, which for some reason was set on 12.
Our CP counter.
CP.
Which is cool.
And I think how much lives she has.
Yep, our life counter.
Life counter. And her dice are cool.
Are they?
Yeah, look at this. Let me make them go to all of them.
Pretty cool. Frequently asked questions. That's a nice upgrade. We all know that the forums get cluttered with info. Oh, look at that. It's got like a nice little pearl to it. Go ahead.
Real nice pearl. There are
These
5
are really
is
good.
for some reason a cross. 6 is a blade. 4 is a wing. 2 is a swipe. 3 is a swipe. And that's about it. Wait, no. 1 is a swipe and so is 2.
Yeah, so everything fits, and we have our cards, our actual deck here.
So we'll start putting this back, and we will go to the next one.
Before you do, let's take a look at the actual mold, which is pretty good here.
Let me see.
Compared to the other one, this one is, in my opinion, way better.
Or the other one.
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah, look at it.
For some reason, there's like...
I love how this just folds up. Oh, that's pretty good. Of course, Manny's amazing art. When he folds completely, it still completes the picture, which is pretty cool. I dig the detail on that. Try to get some of that glare out. She's got half a face. That's only because, again, it completes the picture. Alright, let's see. We have the Premium Sleeve Season 2 and Season 1. Take them out one at a time here. Pretty good. What do you think of the art?
I like it.
Yeah? Pretty good?
Mhm.
I've owned a lot of magic sleeves in my time, and these seem just as good as any of those. What do you think? Pretty good?
Yeah, my favorite is that one and that
The
one.
serif and
This
Moon
one,
Elf?
this one, and this.
Ah, okay, I see what you did there. Alright, these seem pretty good.
This one looks like a mermaid.
Artwork is really good, yeah. Look at my man. It's the serif. Pretty good. And I love the art on this Shadow Thief here.
That's my dad's favorite.
Yeah, it's a lot of people's favorites. Alright, moving on. Okay, we're going to move on to the comics. We have comic book 0 and book 1.
I'm a little mad because the elf has shoes. Elves don't wear shoes. Elves don't wear shoes.
If anybody was following the Facebook group months ago, my daughter was the one who asked about if the Moon Elf had shoes or not, because she has feet on the dice. And in all the art up to that point, we had not seen her feet. Alright, we have comic
And
1.
she wears shoes.
First comic, which looks really good. It's got the gunslinger on there.
Ooh.
And then we have all the season 1 heroes. Moon Elf, yeah. Nice backing. Good art. No spoilers. Alright, yep. So that looks really good. There we go, book 0 and book 1. Look forward to many more.
Awesome.
Yeah? Alright. Alright, now we have the playmats. We have the season 1 playmat here. Alright, go ahead and unwrap that. Put that back in the box. Wow. It's pretty big, huh?
Nice long.
Nice long. It's longer than this little table here. Yep, got it done this way. Wow.
Rudolph, I don't see shoes.
Yeah.
Don't see shoes.
Yeah. No shoes.
I'll
on
find
the Moon
out
Elf.
one day.
It's in the comic. You don't remember? She has boots. Alright. So let's get season 2 out. We'll just lay it on top. It's fine.
No, you gotta do yours.
We'll do season 2 first. Come on. There you go. Nice. Alright. That one looks really good too.
Upside down.
Upside down, right?
Upside down. My favorite. And my favorite.
Yeah, the colors are really nice and bright. The matte seems super premium. I didn't expect the that's good. I didn't expect the sewing on the sides here. That's pretty nice. Alright, let's go and get the third one.
This is my dad's favorite key.
Yeah, the Shadow Elf. There we go. The Shadow Thief.
This could be with Dad's
that
playmat.
Looks really good.
This could be Dad's playmat. Dad, would you like to, whenever you play this playmat?
Yep, probably. The only other thing we have to unbox, or unwrap rather, are the promo cards.
We can play with some today.
Wow, we can definitely play today. Alright, you ready? So, what do you think overall?
Well, I think it's really cool. Except for the part that's a little damaged.
Yeah, we'll take care of that. That's not a big deal.
Then, otherwise, awesome! And that she wears shoes.
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. This is the end of our unboxing video. Now we get to go sleeve our cards and play some dice throwing on Christmas Eve.
Bye.